Hello, I'm Dr. Heather Bennett, and I teach environmental sciences and biology here at University Park. As you can see, we have a really beautiful outdoor space where we can do all kinds of interesting work. If you're feeling nervous about taking college-level science classes, don't be. Environmental science is for everyone. It will count as your lab science requirement for your associate's degree, and our courses transfer to our four-year partner institutions. I hope to see you at University Park really soon. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Lopez, and I am here to give you a preview of General Biology 2, also known as Biology 1407, here at UP. This is the second course you'll be taking if you're a biology major, so you'll take it after completing Biology 1406. Essentially, what Biology 2 is a tour through all the domains, kingdoms, and phyla of living things. And so one of the things we focus on are those similarities between these different groups, as well as those things that make each of those groups unique. Now, in the lab portion of the class, we get to observe and dissect specimens of these different groups. And to see many of the specimens, we're going to be using both the bright field microscope as well as a dissecting microscope. So by the end of the course, you're going to be an expert in using both of these types of microscopes. We also get to dissect mushrooms and plants, flowers, as well as fruit. Now, the really exciting part is when we get to dissect animals, like you see over here. So you're going to dissect squids and sharks and frogs and rats, among other things. The dissections alone are reason enough to take this course because you get hands-on as well as hands-in on the different parts of these different specimens, so you really get to see those similarities and those differences. And the best part about that is it really gives you an appreciation for all the forms of life on the planet. Now, one of the really great things that we get to talk about in this class is that evolutionary history of human beings. Now, I know that's a little bit controversial, but when you think about evolution, it's really just the change in a species over time. So that's Biology 2 in a nutshell. Hopefully, I have piqued your interest, and I will see you enrolled in one of my classes in the upcoming semester.
Hi, my name is Dr. Ben Johnson, and I teach Biology 1406, Biology 1 for science majors. This will be the first class that you take in your sequence of biology classes, and we lay down the foundation of your science studies in this course. In this course, we focus on the cell. More specifically, we focus on DNA, RNA, and protein and the functions that they play inside of the cell. To help us with these studies, we use these tools. At University Park, we have brand new labs and lab equipment to help us study these fundamentals. We have new microscopes to help us identify cells and see structures inside of cells. We additionally have these biochambers that help us measure cellular outputs like carbon dioxide. We also will use DNA gel electrophoresis to look at and visualize DNA and study DNA biotechnology techniques.
Hello everyone. Welcome to LSC-UP Human Anatomy and Physiology Labs. I'm Professor Sonal Tongar and I teach variety of A&P courses here. Human Anatomy and Physiology is a course that enables you to understand the structure, function, and interrelationship between human body organs. So if you're planning to pursue a nursing degree or any other allied health programs, this is the course for you. A&P courses are offered in two course sequences, A&P 1 and 2, in various formats, online, hybrid, and face-to-face. Our microscopes with overhead cameras will allow you to see a bigger picture of what you're trying to look into while you're doing dissections. These courses involve robust in-person and interactive virtual labs, dissections, histology, and various case studies. You will also get the opportunity to have hands-on experience with clinical procedures like ELISA and urinalysis. Our focus always remains on interactive learning with valuable hands-on experience with equipments like this, where you can actually see all the structures outside and inside. So come join us at LoneStar.edu Park to fulfill your dreams. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Professor Mike Elder and I teach medical microbiology. Generally, this course is taken after 2401, which is anatomy and physiology, or Biology 1406, which is Bio 1 for science majors. This course is taken by students who are looking to have a career in nursing or an allied health program. In microbiology, we spend a lot of our time talking about microbial cell structure and function, and also we take a tour through the clinically significant organisms to look at how they impact the human body. We do all of this in our state-of-the-art CSI building, where we have lots of new science equipment that is really helpful for our understanding of microbes. In lab, we're going to be doing a number of different things, such as isolating microbes, culturing them, identifying them, staining them, and doing some antimicrobial susceptibility testing. This semester, and throughout all of our semesters in microbiology, we're going to be identifying unknowns. It's one of the cool aspects of the course. You'll have an unknown microorganism. We're going to stain them through the gram stain, the all-important gram stain. And then you're going to look at those organisms under the microscope, try to identify them, and then do some antimicrobial susceptibility testing, as well as some different biochemical tests in order to try to identify that microbe. We have a lot of fun in microbiology, and I hope to see you there.